Got a nail. We hit one already. This is our second one. This is now a $60 log. That afternoon when your ambitious neighbor stops by with a log or two. And he'll be back, not today, but we're gonna cut this up and he gets half, I get half. He burns wood, so he'll take all the garbage, and we'll cut that up and burn that for him. But yeah, it's always nice to have good neighbors. I gotta go help him hook up. It's a bit of a pull. Some of the sycamore was sitting on this hill, and we cut them down this spring, and they're just now getting to finishing pulling these out. Sure does beat trying to cut it in this ditch and then pulling out even 8-foot pieces. That's so heavy. You can see it was in here. Nice neighbors that come over and use their truck to pull your logs out, isn't it? These are his logs that he brought over, and we're gonna cut these up now. Well, probably one of them. It's getting late, and we'll hit it again tomorrow and get the rest of these cut. But another yard full of logs. I love it.
Out a little bit. Just tell me if you want on the phone. Okay.
Got a nail. We hit one already. This is our second one. This is now a $60 log. See how much is in there. But we're confident it's a nail, not fence, so we'll pull it out and hopefully it's just two. I was digging in with this just to kind of get caught. You girls want to see what expensive looks like? See that nail in that tree?
Yeah.
Yep, because that ruins a blade every single time.
See.
Can you tell which way it's going?
Orientated.
Yeah, because if it's going that way, we're going to get it again. If it's going this way, we can roll that log and cut around it. Or even straight, you know, because we're cutting 2-bys.
Well, the other piece, seemed to be straight up and down.
Mm-hmm. Where's that little center of the log? That's right in the heart. So that's been in there a long time. Can you get there yet?
No. Nope.
You get a piece of it?
Oh yeah.
You could hear me because you were really like, what? What did she say?
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. That one is straight in. We could have just cut it, but you gamble a saw blade on that, you know? What we got?
That's the head.
It's the head. We cut just the tip.
Yep.
Crazy. This is why yard trees are dangerous. How's it going, buddy? How's it going? Work getting done? Work getting done? I think I might need to go help. All right, well that tree has cost us enough saw blades. Done. All right, and we have some nice dunnage.
Yeah.
That'd make some.
And it's so pretty too.
It's pretty. Those will probably make really good sawhorses for timber framing. Nice and heavy like that. It's just not our night for saws, is it?
No, it's not. Okay.
What can I do to help other than videotape?
You good? It's pinched. Yeah. There's a piece right there. There's a piece right there.
Just sucked in some sawdust, huh?
Yeah.
Too new.
I don't like that. It doesn't want to turn. It's like a brand new freaking bar and everything too.
Did we grease the bar? Got the, greaser, so you can grease the bearing up front. That very tip looks like it might have got pinched. You see how the paint's gone?
Yeah.
Is that pinched? If you pull the chain and look at it, does it look like it's pinched? Like it's squeezed together?
I mean, we can try to pry it out a little bit.
Okay. Did you bring a friend? Did you bring a friend? How'd you let him out? How'd you let your friend out? He's supposed to be behind a fence. It's been a couple weeks, but it's only really been 2 days of work. We ended up cutting 4 trailers worth of wood. We've got this trailer here. It's a mix of cut, good cut, and then all the slabs. The neighbor here, he burns firewood, so he's been taking all the offcuts, all the slabs. I've got a trailer for myself, so that's kind of my portion. That's his portion. A board for him, board for me, and then the firewood for him. And then we got the 4th trailer. These are too long. We're just not happy. So we've got these, not the 2 really long ones underneath. Actually, I got those from the neighbor here. He brought them over. Those are for addition on the garage. But the ones on top, we're just gonna load up on the trailer here in a few minutes. But we're done. 2 days of work to cut all those logs. Wave. You're on YouTube.